This is the Genesis Electrified GV70. The Electrified GV70 steering wheel provides driver assistance features and audio system controls right at your fingertips. The volume switch is a scrolling button which can be scrolled up to increase and scrolled down to decrease the audio volume. To the right is the Seek preset switch, which cycles through preset stations in radio mode and selects track up or down when in media mode. Pressing and holding the switch up or down for 1 second functions as auto seek when in radio mode and forward or reverse when in media mode. The mode button is to change between the radio and media modes. The mute button is to turn off all the sound coming from your speakers. Press it again to bring back the sound. The voice recognition button can be used for spoken preset commands without having to take your hands off the steering wheel. The call answer button also serves as call end, picking up or hanging up a phone call. The custom button can be programmed to provide quick access to your favorite features or functions. To set, press and hold down the custom button. The infotainment screen should then display all of the functions and features that are available to be programmed. The cluster display modes can be changed by pressing the mode button located on the right side of the steering wheel. There are 3 cluster display modes to choose from driving assist, turn by turn, and utility. The up and down switch can be used to change items when in utility display mode or the option menu. By pressing and holding the lane driving assist button, you can turn off or on the lane keep assist function. This system warns the driver should the vehicle begin to depart from its lane. By quickly pressing the lane driving assist button, you can turn off or on the lane following assist function. This system can help the driver keep the vehicle centered in the lane by detecting lane markings and other surrounding vehicles. The driving assist button will activate or deactivate smart cruise control at the current speed. After activation, pressing the vehicle distance button will then cycle through 4 different preset distances that your electrified GV70 will maintain to the vehicle in front. To control smart cruise control, press this switch up or down immediately to alter speed by 1 mile per hour. Pressing and holding the switch either up or down alters speed in 5 mile per hour increments instead. Pressing the switch can also temporarily cancel smart cruise control. If you push the switch again, smart cruise control will resume at the preset speed. Your electrified GV70 is also equipped with a boost mode button located on the bottom of the steering wheel. Boost mode momentarily increases the vehicle acceleration for about 10 seconds. This mode is only active when in drive and the battery state of charge is above 25%. Remember, it's the responsibility of the driver to always exercise safe driving while using any of the driver assist features. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.